Hello friends, welcome to Force Tutorials. Myself Harish, this is part 10 of SQL tutorials. In this video, we'll learn what is where clause and what is a distinct clause. So let's begin with our tutorial. What is a where clause? A where clause is used to filter the records. It is used to retrieve only those records which satisfies the condition. Syntax for where clause is select column 1, column 2. You have to specify the column names from the name of the table where condition. The condition which is specified in the where clause, if all the records which specifies that condition will be retrieved and displayed in the result set. We'll see a practical demonstration of the where clause. Let's launch a SQL Management Studio. We'll use the same table which we used in our last video, that is employee table. Select star from employee dot dbo dot employee. So you might be wondering why we have these three keywords: employee dot dbo dot employee. Employee is the name of the DB database. DBO is the instance owner, and employee is the name of the table. So if you don't want to specify this whole thing, what you can do, you can simply select employee from employee database from the drop down, and you can directly remove this, and you can directly query select star from employee, name of the table, select star from employee. So it will be retrieved from the database. Now where clause is used to filter the records from the database. So if I want to find the employees which are living in city Mumbai, so what I will do, where name of the where which city equals to Mumbai. So I want to find out all the employees which are living in Mumbai. Select star from employee where city equals to Mumbai. So all the records which specify this condition where city is Mumbai will be retrieved from the database and will be displayed. So in our case, we'll have ID 1 Harish and ID 3 Ramesh will be displayed from the database. Let's run the query and check. Oh, we have specified the name of the city as wrong here. We'll use MUMBAI. Now we'll run the query. Now you can see only 2 records are retrieved because only two employees are living in Mumbai. That is Harish and Ramesh. Suppose we want to find the employees which are living in Navi Mumbai. So I will specify Navi Mumbai. When I run this query, you can see there are 2 employees. Mahesh and Ramesh are the 2 employees which are living in Navi Mumbai. So where condition is filtering out the records for us. So in this way, we can write a where clause. Now we'll see what is a distinct clause. A distinct clause is used to retrieve different values from the table. It is used to eliminate the duplicate records from the table. So syntax for distinct clause is select distinct. We have to specify the column for which we have to retrieve the distinct values and from table name. We'll see a practical demonstration for this. We'll go to SQL Management Studio. We'll check. We want to check in which all cities our employees live. Select distinct. City from employee. When we run this statement, we can see there are only 2 cities, Mumbai and Navi Mumbai. So in this way, we can retrieve the different values from the table using distinct keyword. It eliminates the duplicate records. That's it for today. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.